Hi everyone, my name is Grace and I'm a librarian here at McAllen Public Library, and today I would like to invite you to our second MPL online book club. Our book club will be reading Mary Shelley's Frankenstein. Let me tell you a little secret. I never read Frankenstein. Well, if you're like me and you've never read this classic Gothic fiction, join us at the MPL online book club and read or reread this book with us. We can talk about why Mary Shelley dubbed this as a modern Prometheus. Here's a little refresher on what Prometheus. It is in the Greek mythology and he is a Titan. He's very intelligent and he was also known to be a little bit of a trickster, troublemaker. He really loved humans, so he ends up stealing fire from the Mount Olympus. Zeus finds out and he gets super mad and he punishes Prometheus by chaining him to a rock where an eagle comes and eats his liver. Now, because Prometheus is immortal, every night his liver grows back, and the next day and day after and forever on, this eagle eats his liver. Poor Prometheus. Anyway, our meeting is Tuesday, June 16th at 2 p.m. through Zoom. Registration is required because that's how I send out the invites, so that the Zoom meeting is secure. Thank you for listening. I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you guys in about a month. Bye.